Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. Today I'm gonna be doing just a cozy crafting day in my studio. I've been wanting to make a vintage oven for a long time, and I was planning to do it in the kitchen build that I still owe you guys, but I decided to just do it today because I also want to make some miniatures of holiday cookies, and I thought it'd be cute to just have an oven to be able to bake them in. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I made some vanilla cookies yesterday because I was trying to make a fake Nilla wafer. Just like in a pinch, I needed some cookies. So I made them and they turned out really good. So I might make some more and show you guys. Actually, no, I don't want to give you my recipe, but I might make some more of them today. So they might make an appearance later in the video. If you see me chomping some cookies, that's what happened. Let me know what you guys' favorite cookies are down in the description. I'm interested. I really like really plain cookies. Like I like chocolate chip cookies like without the chocolate. Sometimes I like ginger cookies, and I've never actually had a gingerbread man before. I don't think I've ever had gingerbread before. I've only seen it. Well, today we're probably gonna make some little gingerbread houses and stuff to go along with the oven. I'm gonna be using my little room box that I made in the other video to make a backdrop, or to be a backdrop for the little oven and the cookies and everything. I'm trying to figure out how to do a whole kitchen in here, but I want it to be able to go in and be taken out, and that's tripping me up a little bit. But for right now, I'm just doing the oven, so it doesn't matter. I'll just be able to stick it in, get my pictures, and then take it back out of there. But that does mean that the oven's gonna have to be in 1/24th scale, because that's the scale of this room. I made the top, the front, the back, the bottom, the two sides, and on the front I included where I'm gonna have the cutouts or the doors to open, and on the top I included where the burners are gonna be, and this metal part that's in these older ovens that I don't know. It looks like a grill top, but I will have to research what this is because I have no idea. For the back, I'm gonna need to make it a little bit taller than the other pieces so that I can have this part, the like back part that's popping up behind the ovens. I copied it all onto one transparent sheet, and then I'm gonna put it in the scanner and scan it. I can put it on the computer and then print it back out. It's just gonna be neater, and then I'll have copies so I don't go messing up the original when I start cutting it and things like that. But my scanner only really fits in this one place, and it's super unaesthetic, but I have to climb up here to put it into the scanner. So now we print this out. I only have this leftover sheet, and all the rest are kind of thin. So I might not be able to actually build this thing today like I thought I would. I was right. I didn't have enough, so I had to go to the store to get more plastic sheets. grabbed a little bit more plastic cement as I was running low on that too, and I checked out their miniature and dollhouse section. This whole little kitchen set. But here's just the oven. This is just wood. Now that I've got some more plastic sheets, I can go ahead and cut out all of the pieces. I'm going to use some tracing paper to trace all of the lines onto the plastic, and then I'm going to cut them out using my X-Acto knife. I made a little box to go in the part where the oven is going to be able to open, and then I closed off the other side because that part is not going to be able to open at all. Now I need to make the top part of the oven with the burners and then make all of the knobs to go on the front. I think I'm going to leave the top part separate from the body of the oven because I need to be able to paint it a different color, and I think it'll just be easier if it's not glued together. I didn't mask it very well, so I need to touch it up in a few places with some more black paint. But overall, I think it looks pretty good.